How's it going, everybody? It's about 95 degrees here in my garage. It's 6 o'clock right now, and it's too hot. I don't like it. I sweat. I'm sweating right now, and I just turned the camera on. I just got in here like 30 seconds ago, but it's okay. We're gonna insulate the garage door, put some styrofoam on it that has like reflective tape. It has aluminum on it, so it's got aluminum on it to reflect the heat, hopefully back at the garage door and heat out that way. So this is what we got going on. We got the garage door, and we have our thermometer right there. It says it's 93, high of 95, low of 86 here. That's not a fun time. So we're gonna be insulating the garage. I have styrofoam, insulation in my truck bed. I'm gonna get out, cut up to the correct lengths for the garage door to hopefully block the majority of the heat. So the garage door top one is 95, 95, 96. So the entire garage is way too hot, and I don't like that. My hope is the insulation will help lower the temperature here in the garage, maybe by 5-8 degrees. Well, I don't know, I don't really want to be here in 95 degrees. Like, I'm still sweating. I want to be nice and comfortable when I'm working on my stuff. I want to be working on my new miter saw station that I got to build, because the rough draft design prototype is almost done. So I can start to build this out fully because Lowe's has a sale, 20 bucks for a 4x8 sheet of crappy MDF that I can use on this instead. And it'll be a fully enclosed box, and it would look nicer because then I can paint it and you'll never know. But yeah, this thing's almost done. So I have a lot of projects I want to do. I have wood down here, I don't know if you guys can see that, but I got this stuff right here. This is for the table saw fence. The reason why is the table saw fence has like a slight curve to it. So it's a little annoying because as I rip stuff down with the fence, it kind of wobbles a bit. And I don't really want to walk it through the blading and right in the face, because that wouldn't be fun at all. No. But yeah, I want to try to get the temperature here in the garage down a bit. That's what we're gonna do today, so let's get to it. All right, so garage door insulation kits at Lowe's is $96. Or you can get the giant sheets yourself and cut them up for $16. So I think I know which one I'm going with right now.
I'm measuring the insulation to be 16 inches wide. The garage door panel gaps are just slightly under 16 inches. So this should allow me to be able to press the foam boards in place, and that way it's a snug fit and they shouldn't fall out.
So
I'm going to be cutting 6 8-foot sections, and I'm going to take 2 of those 8-footers, cut them in half. That way I can get the full 12-foot for the garage doors themselves. That way I can add the 8-foot sections with the 4-foot sections to get the full 12-foot to cover the entire garage.
oh, 16 inches at 8 feet, not too bad. 1 second. Also cut at 16 inches, 4 feet. So that's 12 feet long, so 8 plus 4 is 12, divided by 6 times 2 is also 12. But yeah, so, where did I put all you stuff? Where did I put all this? It's a very limited garage. Even though it's bigger, it's limited. I don't know. So reflective side is gonna be facing the garage door, and then this ugly side is gonna be facing us. Are you kidding me? Don't fall out. Not allowed. So, camera overheated, but I did get the top one and middle section done. I didn't get the part where the handle's at though. I want to do that right now. But it's next thing. I want to show you guys something cool. The wall is showing 91. You guys can see that. The other wall is showing pretty much 90. It's 89.9. The garage insulation is showing 91. This is where it's cool. Little metal, bare metal right there, right? 96. So this did bring it down 5 degrees already. So this is really good. And cool part, usually it's almost 90 in the garage by now. It's only 88. So this has cooled the garage down Like, I'm not sweating right now. I would usually be sweating as I get in the garage. I'm not sweating. I'm getting there, but it's taking longer, you know? There's bare metal right here. I want to cover this, but this like moves and whatnot. Obviously, I can't put insulation here directly, otherwise it's gonna mess everything up. So I'm gonna tape another thing of insulation like so. So as the garage goes up and down, it will pivot with it. And I feel like having all the metal pretty much covered, I don't know if I can get up here. If I can, I will. But having most of the metal here covered and whatnot, I think that's gonna decrease the temperature in the garage tremendously. So that's what we're gonna do today. We're gonna finish it, make it look nice, get this little door handle going, open the garage door and let all the heat in. So yeah, let's get to it. I'm just gonna line up at the edge of the garage door itself. Ooh. Kind of like eyeball it here. Something like that. And then that guy is near the box of words, so hang on here. I go to the and on the box there and we're good to go. All right, so 3 inches. About right there. Yay, a mess. All right, next part is right here. Whatever, things are falling, it's fine. I don't know if I just wanna separate this completely. I don't think I have to, I think just right there. Just looking at it, if I can get this middle section cut out and I can just plop it in there, I feel like that's the best bet versus cutting right here. And again, most of the stuff I do on the fly, so bear with me. I gotta measure more. All right, so that's between 7 1/4 and 8 3/4. 7 1/4, 8 3/4. Right. 8 3/4, 7 1/4, 7 1/4, 8 3/4. So that section has to go. Perfect. So we're just gonna unscrew it from the base here. Uh-oh, nail dropped. Got it, we're good. Let's see if my mock-up measurements have worked. Kind of. Not too bad. Yeah. It doesn't even hit the styrofoam. The styrofoam's not too big. There's not too much missing. All right, not bad. Oh boy, it is getting hot in here. It's not even a joke. This is a bad idea having this door open. Don't like it. Okay, I can slide it over just a bit. Looks fine. All right, the garage door has only been open for about like 8 minutes, and it's already increased 3 degrees. It's 91 in here. I'm starting to sweat. So go away. So this stuff actually works. I am super happy about that. Oh, this is small. Well, that fits there, but it's not. I need to fill those gaps. Some spare styrofoam lying around that I cut up. We'll make this my little pressure spot. Shove it in there. Oh yeah. So it might fall out over time, I'm not too sure. But in order to prevent any of that from happening, we're just gonna stick more styrofoam on it. And shove it in there. Pretty much like a shim. All right, so we got some styrofoam to fill it. So having Having the insulation in the garage does help if I put a strip here as well, covering more of the garage door, because I can feel the heat radiating off of this right now, and it's not fun. Here, this is cool. This is nice and cool. Right here, I feel the heat, so I feel like I need to block these areas. Maybe up top as well. That'll be kind of difficult, but we're gonna see what we can do. All right, it's now 1 p.m. Took a little break, the camera got hot, but let's see how the garage looks. All right, we're at 93, 93, 95. Let's look at the bare metal. Yep, I saw 99. Second one, 110. Ooh, and very last one, 109. Okay, so I don't know if you guys saw that, but the very last bare metal is 109, 110. What was it, like 90 something? Yeah, I saw 98. So yeah, we have to cover that up real fast because that's getting hot. So let's measure it. All right, next step, measuring it. The distance is 5 inches. So I guess if we cut the strips a little bit bigger than 5 inches, we should be good just to get that overlap. And then I guess we'll use like a tape over here as a hinge. So that way when the garage goes up, it just falls down or floats, however you want to say it. So that shouldn't be in the way of anything then if we do like that. A little bit bigger than 5 inches, I said. So we'll go 5 1/4, it looks like. We'll start with the middle row, then go to the top. Then we're gonna open the garage and do the bottom row. We're doing that one last because it's hot outside. I don't want to deal with the heat anymore, and I have to. Oh yeah, let's get to taping it. I have duct tape. I feel like this is gonna work. Oh no. Oh no. Look at this. It's so hot that I'm peeling the tape off the tape. See, that's why we're doing this. This is crazy. This is so crazy. Oh yeah, this thing's all messed up now. Tape sheds its own skin for the summer. Oh yeah, that covers it completely. Cool. There we go. So get this guy right here. Completely covering it. I'm lining this guy up with the top one. Completely covers the metal. Nothing is exposed. Raise it up just a hair. All right, cool. It's all lined up in the same spots. Very good. I'm sweating so much more. And we are good. Uh-oh, one side's failing. That's not good. It fell just because of the styrofoam? The tape is stuck to the styrofoam weirdly. That could be it. All right, works. Looks good. I don't know, it's working now. Okay, so this is slightly sagging, so to fix that, I'm getting some tape here. Don't fall open. Just sneaking it on the back side here so it sticks to itself. Wrapping it down like that, because the tape's not really sticking to the styrofoam, it's slowly failing, but it doesn't fail against itself. So I'm gonna put the tape on here to reinforce it, that way it doesn't sag over time. I'm just sticking the tape to itself ever so slightly and just pushing it back up. And then because it's on itself, or because the tape is not sticking to the styrofoam, it's not gonna slowly peel itself off. And that's gonna keep it held up. Because I don't want the metal here being shown. So insulating the garage is now done. It only cost about 50 bucks after tax. And all honesty, it's been about 4 days since I finished doing it. The inside of the garage has been roughly around 89 to 91 degrees. And again, I've been in here for about, give or take 10 minutes. I'm not sweating, so something's working, right? So it's a lot more bearable in here. It's not stuffy, it's not uncomfortable. So honestly, this works. There's some things I should point out though. Being right here, I do feel the warmth of the outside, which we don't want to go out there. That's not fun. It's inhospitable out there. But if I want to experience it, all I gotta do is lift this up and I feel the heat just radiate off of it. So that's not fun. I should have done this a lot sooner, but hey, I did it now and I'm enjoying it. It's not bad. So if you guys did like the video, do leave a like, subscribe, and comment. Let me know what you guys think about this and how I can improve it, because the tape is kind of falling slightly, even though I double taped in some spots. So I gotta figure out how to fix that. But other than that, this thing works. I like it, and thanks for watching.